Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts. Please be sure to listen to our important message following this episode regarding the risks of investing in exchange-traded options.
But he was right indeed to keep our long US dollar view, and our first target at 114 has been reached.
Very timely, Christophe. That was Cyril made that call just a couple weeks ago, correct?
Yeah, exactly. I will find us. I have done some follow-ups on the euro dollar and the cable in the last weeks. I will check the. I am searching for the chart. Okay, this is the chart Cyril provided you 3 weeks ago, I think. It was the 14th of January.
Mm-hmm.
And we have still. It was its strongest conviction, and he was right. As you can see, we have a well-identified bearish channel. The prices have broken up this bearish channel at 68 and reached a first target at around 70. And then we expected, as I told you before, what we do in this case. Either we enter a long position right now, and we may pay a high volatility price, and then pay a high option price, in the case of a call, of course. And Cyril last time told you he was waiting for a pullback, as the pair was shaping a kind of bullish flag. You can see with my mouse, I try to draw it, but and it was right in this case to find this okay, you can see it more clearly. This is what we call a bullish flag, which is a consolidation pattern in a bullish trend in the case of a bullish trend, or a bearish pattern in the case of a bearish pattern. But in this case, it was a bearish trend. So at the bottom of this configuration, we can, I think I recommended in a follow-up 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago about a euro dollar, take advantage of this bullish flag. And then in the past weeks, the pair has reached the first target at 7.35, 70.35, and has accelerated towards the next target, the huge target at 73, which is a great support line. As you can see, the pair has touched many times this level, and this is also a Fibonacci retracement. I can't draw it on this chart, but this is a 50%. This level at 73 is a 50% retracement of the whole movement, of the whole bearish movement, and I guess this is a very nice resistance level. So if the pair reaches this target, maybe it will be hard for the dollar against the euro to go through this level very quickly and very soon. I guess a pullback may occur towards the new support set around 71 or 70.50, before the trend can resume and go even higher. So I think this is a very interesting pattern, but be careful to trade this pattern right now. So this is my main opinion for the moment. It is always difficult when you have reached your target of such perfect pattern, such as a bullish flag. It's very difficult when you've reached your target to find out if the trend will continue directly or if pullback is in the card. So in my opinion, wait for the pullback before entering new long position on the US dollar versus the euro. So next chart was the British pound, or BPX in IEC ticker, USD against GBP. You can also find the British pound directly on IEC by typing the GBP ticker, and you will have GBP against US dollar. The configuration is the same, but in the other side, of course. In my last time, Cyril was less confident on this pattern with the euro dollar, and he told you that it was shaping a kind of rounding bottom, but with less conviction. And but in fact it worked pretty well, and the pair has rebounded on its new support around 60, and is approaching again, just like the euro dollar, a huge resistance area. So it's a huge support in the case of cable GBP against the US dollar. But in my opinion, if it breaks above this level, the target is, you can set your target at a very high price, maybe around 68, because rounding bottoms, when rounding bottom pattern is validate, it's a very strong pattern, and the movement, once it is started, is very hard to catch, and to catch the whole movement. So this is also this is the same as the euro dollar. It's a kind of dilemma. What could we do? Either trade right now the option, or wait for a slight pullback, maybe a slight pullback around here. In my opinion, pullback around this level, around 72.50, nearly, is a good entry price to catch an option, because volatility will decrease, and this is a nice support, as you can see the former trend line drawn by the rounding bottom is approaching. So in my opinion, this kind of level is very interesting. So maybe in the coming days you will have a trade alert from my part to recommending to enter a position on the cable. Next one was GPY. The GPY is called YUK in the ISC terminology. This is the USD against the Japanese yen.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.isc.com/podcasts.